everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday, I think it's the 21st. We are headed to the beach. I know, I already have a video uploaded when we went to the beach last week. But if you read my description under that video, it was not a great day. We had a little part where we enjoyed the waves with my daughter who's back here. It was a lot of fun. We videotaped, did photos and everything. That was the only good moment that we had, which I'm glad we had something. But as you may have read in the description below, my son had a serious autism meltdown, and it gets really sad and hard for us because there's nothing you can say or do to make it better or to ease him until later. So we really felt bad, or it's really hard, but that's a part of the autism journey. The other part was we had encountered racism, my husband, twice in one day. So something that we try to have a good, happy time and a relaxing time didn't turn out so well. So my daughter here to the left, who's driving, came to my house last night and surprised me with a trip to the beach, but not that beach. We're going to one of our other favorite beaches. Well, they've never been. I haven't been in years, but they've never been. We're on our way to Bodega Bay. I also love Stinson Beach. We're kind of going between, should we go to Stinson Beach in San Francisco, should we go to Bodega Bay? We also love Half Moon Bay. So, from that last trip, I thought there's so many more beautiful beaches, better beaches, funner beaches. Why do we keep going to that beach? And it is a place I will never go back to. But, yeah, so I think we always did it because we felt it was the closest, and we never had a problem when the kids were little or when they were teenagers. This is the first time we had a problem, but the beach itself is not the same either. So I am really excited. My husband could not come on this trip because he had a prior arrangement to do a job today. So he sat back at home to do the job. And it's me, my oldest daughter, my other daughter, my son who's asleep back there. We just prepared. And then that was the other thing. My daughter here that's driving that surprised me last night couldn't make it because she was really sick. So it wasn't the same without her. It just was not the same without her. And even though she's married, we still do everything together as a family. Everything. It's not, oh, she's married now, so she's not included. That absolutely not. So it was sad that we were missing her as well. So that was the other thing. So now she's better. My daughter here is a little bit sick now, but she's good enough to go to the beach. So yeah, so I'm excited. We're almost there. We're going to do pictures and videos when we get there. We're going around a turn. And I also like that we don't go around those windy, dangerous, almost fall off the cliff road. I'm not missing that either. So I was on edge.
Get car sick.
Telling my husband, stop down, you're going to kill us. Oh my God, it was trippy. So,
when you say you're on edge, and you're literally on edge.
We're really on edge. It's like, it's a narrow road, and then if anybody's going fast around the corner, they could really knock you off the cliff. It's so scary. So I'm not missing that either. So I guess there's quite a few things I'm not missing. But yeah, we're almost there. So we prepared better this time. We got set. First I was in shock, and then and I was afraid that maybe my son would go through the same thing, and it's always possible. But we prepared for him. He took his meds already. He's really excited about it because he felt bad that he went through that and missed out on the last trip. So he's got his mindset geared up, ready to go in the water and have a good time. He's asleep back there, if you can see him. So yeah, so on the way here, we have a new Costco in our town. We have the grand opening Thursday. They have the best pizza in the world. Cheap, huger, and better than any other pizza. So we ate that, so we're good. And then we got, of course, stuff that we're taking on the beach to eat. All the stuff, electronics, whatever, towels, blankets, all the stuff that you need to have fun at the beach. So, and that's pretty much it. So I'll probably upload this tonight or tomorrow, let you know how it all went down. And I believe it's going to be a great day. I'm so excited because I need to take that bad experience out of my head. So, are you guys excited?
Yeah. Sorry, Alexi's is excited, but
her belt is tight.
I can't.
He's asleep. Oh, there he goes. So, I'm going to show you a little bit of us on the way there, and then we'll continue this vlog as soon as we get there.
She do that on Video Pro.
We are on our way, folks. I don't know. How long is it before we get there?
It says we should be there in 30 minutes.
Oh, wow.
But if we're going this slow, it's going to feel a little longer.
Okay.
And it's only like a one lane, so that's fun too.
It's only 40. Well, this is better roads than those other roads. I was on edge.
I never drove this way, so I'm trying to drive with caution here.
I'd rather be on a road like this, trust me. Where there's trees, mountains that can stop us. We have to go to the edge.
Well, I feel like it's getting higher, so.
Oh, no. Oh, my
no.
God, it is. Lordy.
And then look, you can go down a really steep hill. I wouldn't know because I've never been over here this far. You know, you're still in a place of vineyards where you see still vineyards everywhere.
Wow, smoked salmon. People are trying to sell.
They're pointing at a building that should be there and it's not there. And then they're like, oh, no, it's right there. So I had to go.
It's exhausting. 30, 40. 40 miles an hour, then 30, then 25. That's how my gas.
Make sure you slow your eyes.
That's how my gas gets wasted. Oh my god. I mean, it's a pretty view.
Oh, this is a pretty view.
So,
I just see a bunch of trees. I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm just saying it's like open versus like going to farm.
And we have arrived to Bodega Bay, the beach here. As you can see, those are my kids going to the water. I stayed back so I could watch our stuff. But yeah, it's pretty nice. Everybody's got, this is our little camping space right here. Water looks beautiful. My son took his meds. He didn't even have a meltdown. He's been just talking, being about excited and getting in the water, and nothing's gonna stop him. I'm so proud of him. Oh. Wait, I was trying to
What?
I probably did.
Oh my god, I the ground, I freaked out as Alexis.
You're having a good time, baby boy?
Yeah.
Oh my god, here's my eyebrows.
I haven't felt good like this since I was like practicing on
Oh my
I'm
god.
so happy that you're happy and
I
having a good time.
each other.
Oh, we're recording each other.
I need to take off my makeup. This is too much. My whole eye's wet.
I know mine.
I like
This is what I wanted. Look at my baby boy. He's falling to the ground, allowing himself to get wet. Huh?
Grandma watching?
Grandma's watching you. She's so happy. Look, she's recording me and I'm recording it.
Now my whole shirt is wet.
Are you recording?
Oh.
Try not to taste the water. It's salt water.
Oh my god. Hurt my knees. Okay. Trying to take a picture. Wait, I gotta turn it around. Whoa! Woo! Now I'm gonna do it backwards and see if it'll work. Try to do a video again.
Shoot,
Smile.
Go away. This way.
The water's coming the way. That was fun. Whoa.
Is your watch waterproof?
Yeah, 30 feet or something. I forgot about my watch. Dude. Woo. Oh my god, I forgot the camera was still going. Look at my baby boy. He loves getting on the ground and getting wet. Here it comes. Woo! You like that, huh?
Yeah.
I kind of got dizzy when I sat down, though. Whoa.
Oh, that water's cold. Bad because it's
Having a
cold.
great time, baby boy?
Yeah.
We are having an amazing time. We are on Bodega Bay.
This is the better one.
The most beautiful, best beach ever. I also love Stinson and Half Moon Bay. They're in my top 3 as well.
Is this still
No
the-
need to ever go back to Port Fry. Plus, we had that horrible several experiences. So,
Is this still the Bay Area?
yeah, this is the Bay Area. Trying to record. Let's see if the next wave will come. You ready for the next wave? Woo! Whoa, that water feels good, huh?
Yeah. Good thing I didn't drown.
Oh my God. We just got hit by a big wave. I should have been recording. That was the one.
It scratched me, but I didn't get cut, so that's the only
Yes. We flipped and flopped. I felt I was never going to go. My phone went in the water. Thank God my phone is waterproof. My Fitbit Versa is waterproof. Thank you, Jesus. Because we got attacked. My mother would be so
That's why
scared.
they say you gotta be careful not to go too close, because they can
Yeah.
drag you to the ocean and you'll be fine.
That's true. Oh my God, that was,
I tasted the salt water. It's
Yeah.
nasty.
whoa. That was, I wish I would have been recording. I don't know if I was recording and the camera stopped when my camera went down into the, oh,
At least I'm happy and not complaining.
yes.
Are you proud of me?
Trying to get the
Are you
sand
proud
out
of
my butt. Yes,
Are you proud of the baby boy?
yes.
How proud?
Because I got sand in my butt, huh? Oh, trying to wait for the water. Woo! Okay, there.
I think it's better when you stand and not lay down.
Yeah.
Ground.
Laying down is dangerous. Hold on to me, baby boy.
Oh, that's what they pushing you.
Yeah. I don't want you to leave me.
Yeah, because they said if you go too far, there could be sharks. You don't
Yeah.
want to.
They say the beach, the ocean, is the most peaceful, beautiful part of God's great creation, His nature, but it is also dangerous. You have to have respect for the ocean. Because just like it gives you peace, it could take you away. So
And
we
don't
want-
forget sharks.
Yeah, and shark. What did you say, baby boy? Sharks?
Yeah, sharks, because it's kind of like the Jaws story, how some people...
Come on, let's get more up here. It's starting to scare me. Oh, my shoes!
Okay,
Did it take my shoes?
but... I don't see anymore.
Huh? Yeah. Where? Way over there? No. My son's shoe is in the ocean. I don't know if we can see
It
it.
just got washed away for a minute.
Let me see if I can get a close-up of the shoe. Where is it? There it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. There it is. I just lost mine, and one of the girls next to me was so kind. She saved my shoes. Now we're trying to save my son's shoes. Oh my God. Lexis, you're scaring me. There it is, right there. That's so close. Oh, shoot. Forgot the camera. Where'd it go? It's just staying right there. Oh.
It's like when the wave pushes it for a minute, but then it washes back.
Look, everybody's ready to catch it. Everybody's so kind. Aww.
That's the first time my shoe did that.
And it's stuck in that one spot. Darn it.
Yeah, it's just not washed away.
Come on, come on, come on. Push.
Go
Push
over there.
forward. Push forward.
Isn't there anybody here that can get it?
It would be like a surfer or a lifeguard could get it. my God, I just thought, where's my phone? And it's in my hand. Freaked me out. Oh my God, this is incredible. Oh, don't go over, don't go worse. Oh my God, we're praying my son's shoe would come back. Oh, wow. Didn't you have one on your foot? Look at that ocean. We're still hoping for my son's slipper or slip-on shoe because it's not a flip-flop. Still in the ocean. We can see it, but we can't grab it, and there's not a surfer around. So I'm gonna have to buy him some more shoes. Ah! I bumped my face because I knew.
Okay. It's so bright, I can't see.
My phone's like dying.
Hi, Diana. Hi. Look at the car. Out of the parking lot. Just like turning around, I see it. There's the beach.
So
There's some birds. Okay. I bet you they can't hear me because of the headphone thing in. But there it is.